Welcome back, continuing the news. My girlfriend left me. That's the reality of one young man who was detained under the state of public emergency in St. James for about a month. Family members of detainees also paint a picture of anguish and distress as they struggle to find money to take care of their loved ones in lockup. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm continues to tell their stories.
I don't sleep at night. I don't sleep a day. I can't eat. I just think about him.
The distress of a mother when her son was carted off to the Freeport lockup in August, enduring almost a month of terrible treatment, foul food and filthy conditions. It was 4 times the stress for this man, as 4 of his family members were detained at the same time.
There's a lot of expense. You have to go buy grocery for 4 people. You have to spend $3,000 for each person, so you have to spend $12,000 every 2 days because Tuesday and Thursday are visiting day. We have to hire a taxi and sit down in for 3 hours just to hand them back because you can't talk to them.
For the matriarch, 70-odd years old, the anguish of 4 family members being behind bars manifested itself through weight loss.
They do not never when do something you would even to trouble me. For a friend and my family and he rang. We have to just leave it so far. Me understand say the police and the government have the angle and we are the blade.
One young man did not receive the welcome home celebration he imagined. He was eager to see his daughter and girlfriend, but...
Me dey at jail and she has stressed about that. And then she don't know when me I come out, you understand? So me don't know what she start pray and then she start to fear thing.
So you guys broke up?
Yeah.
You had problems before?
No problems before, but as me I show you, just because I hold jail thing.
Twice the loss.
Work, I'm in the work still, and you know, big work to that still, but the people them get somebody else. So since me come out and look at thing me I do for myself and wash some car and then look at something this.
That way he can still take care of his daughter. Meanwhile, back at Freeport,
them take your fingerprint, take your picture, ask a few questions without no lawyer. Like intimidation more while and then, they lick you and then if you refuse, you answer.
Another young man we'll call Dick, aged 23, also endured hardship while being locked up for days. Not to mention the disciplinary tactics used by one police officer on a detainee.
In lick and in kick, one end up get a broken arm. Upon the time him get the broken arm, they was still beating him.
And Dick was also embarrassed when he had to walk home shoeless and shirtless. That aside, he remembers with nostalgic fondness an act of kindness from a policeman when he and other detainees were hungry.
The police officer went and get a lunch for him, which that's the only time we get something sensible to eat. The rest was fizzle food. The police give him food and do without.
One can only hope for a replication of that treatment, but until then, a word of advice to the security forces.
When they talk up the young guys, don't just take them and lock them up. Find out, grown in a community like when time one man rape somebody and the family court, you go around and you find out the person. Then when you find out them background, you know how long you can hold them for.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.